Hey there, so today we're going to be talking about GE and their induction ranges. Here we're standing in front of the 700 series profile induction range, but something about GE induction ranges in general is that they're all going to be the slide-in style models. They're going to be limited to the regular stainless steel models with a couple of black stainless. Some models have steam clean, self-clean in the oven. Everything has air fry in the induction ranges. Whenever you go into the ovens, capacities for the most part are going to be similar. They're going to be somewhere in that 4.5 to 5 cubic foot arena. But what's going to change as you move up in their model lines and get to that top end profile, into the cafe, into the monogram, you're going to start to see glide rails and things of that nature, temperature probes, the top end features that you would expect. But the model that we have here, the 700, this is going to be GE's entry-level price point induction range. As you can see on the top, you have a 4-burner top. You have that large burner for your big stock pots. You have a bridgeable left side bay with the front and back burner that can be linked together. Very easy to clean, very simple, not a lot of extra frills and features. That's why you're going to see this go on sale somewhere in the neighborhood of $11.99, $13.99. It lands somewhere in there, competing with those entry-level Frigidaire products, those entry-level Samsung products, LG as well. Getting an induction range towards $1,000 was unheard of just 10 years ago, and now we're getting close. You're seeing some sales get down almost to triple digits instead of 4. As you move down into the oven cavity, you're going to see that we have a steam clean only, so we're going to avoid that pyrolytic self-clean. That's great for the longevity of the range. That's great for your own personal health. If there's one thing that kills an oven, it's definitely going to be self-clean. When it comes down to the actual cooking, you're going to have pizza cycles built in, your normal bake, broil, and roast, of course. Keep warm, convection, air fry, which everybody's ranting and raving about. That fresh reheat button, that's going to utilize that air fry as well and actually slow down that convection fan with the element behind it. So top to bottom, this is a really full-featured range at an introductory price point that's very achievable, and it's always in stock at Don's Appliances. So go ahead to donsappliances.com and order today.